Now the next part is the research. Okay, so I will just write it down, my robot. So now from here onwards, I will not be able to help you with your designing. You have to now start designing. But very important skill that you listen to what I am talking. Okay, I will give you guys enough time to think on your own. Okay, so this is my buddy bot. And what did I want? I wanted it to listen to me, talk to me, and play. Okay. Now listen. How can you listen? Listening is it should have a device that can hear what you're talking. And can a mic hear what I'm talking? So when I talk to you guys are hearing my voice through a mic. So a mic. So mic looks like something like this. Right? It has something to hold on, or the battery or the electronic, and this is where it catches the sound. So look how I am researching. This all of us know what mic is, but I am again refinding the information. So somebody said ears for hearing. So yes, ears, we need ears. But what kind of ears can you have as a gadget? Wait a second, the screen went blur. Yes. Just hold on a second. Yeah. It's somewhat clear. Okay. So a ear listens, and in the electronic world, a mic also hears, right? Because the ear hears the sound. You said a mic can't hear. Yeah, but a robot. So see, this is what we are doing here. I am trying to research and find ways as how can I make a robot hear me, right? A mic catches sound, right? It catches sound. So does ear. Ear also catches sound. Okay? And a mic looks like this, something like this. And then we need something for talking. Talking, we can have a speaker, because speaker gives out the sound. Yeah? But all of this is just pieces. You guys have heard about this word called AI? Tell me if you have heard about this word called AI. It's called artificial intelligence. Yeah. So artificial intelligence meaning using processors and chips, we can give a robot intelligence so that it can listen to you, it can talk to you. Okay? So we will need a chip, electronic chip. So now, say if this is the chip and it has a mic, and it has a speaker, then it can listen to what you're saying, and it can tell you, it can talk to you also. Am I right or not? So yes, somebody said brains. So the chip is like the brain. Yeah. Yeah, the robot will need battery. Yes, a very important part, battery. How do you get electricity? You can charge it, right? You can plug it. Can I use solar panel? Yes, very good. Solar panel. Can I put a windmill? Yes, windmill. Yeah. How else can you give power to the robot? Cell, that is battery. Cell, battery, yes. Memory card, how does the memory card give power? So are you guys understanding what research is? Why? Quick Y for yes, quick N for no. Are you understanding what research does? So we did all this khichdi over here, okay? And now let us make it easier for us to understand. Okay, what do we need? First, a mic. Second, we need speaker. Third, we need AI or a chip. We got this. Fourth, for battery, I'm going to choose solar panel because I like that idea. So I'm going to use solar panel for energy. And now, this is what we got. Can the robot fly? Will the robot walk? Tell me, what would your robot to be like? Will the robot fly or will the robot walk on the ground? Shaurya says walk. Lahari says, oh, it says work. I think you're trying to say walk. Okay. Swim on the ground, walk, walk. Okay, so a lot of you guys like walk. A robot with rocket, that's a great idea. Fly. Yes. I think I will make it fly because if it flies, it can go anywhere, right? Even if the surface is upar niche or uneven, it will fly. So I will give my robot flying capabilities. And now, guys, important thing. Can you guys move around without your eyes? Tell me that. Can you move around without your eyes? No. Yes, you cannot walk. You need, yes, camera. So you need camera to see. Very good. Okay. So I think we are done with the research part and we have decided what my robot is going to have to be very proper. How will my robot look like? First, I'm going to start with my pencil. Or no, let's just go with sketch pen because you guys can see it clearly. A body would look like human, right? With a face, with a body, and with legs, and with hands, face. But since, okay, wait a second. Yeah, but since this is not walking, it's not walking but flying, we will change this to something else. Wait, the screen seems to have gotten stuck. Yeah. So it's flying. So the body will be there, the face will be there. How will it fly? Probably if I give wings below, it spins. Okay. Now I think if my body is my body, I should be able to see its expressions, right? So from here, I think I will give him a box with a screen so that I can get to see his expression, if he's happy, sad, or not. And then here I will have my, say, mic, speaker, and solar panel here like this, and here wings so that it flies like a helicopter. I can give the, so instead of this, I can do this. On the head, I give the wings, and I make the robot more box, the solar panel here, the mic here, the speaker here. Okay. Then I remember how a drone looks like. Drone has 4 wings. Am I right? That makes it fly. On and off button. Very good. Larry, that's a very good thinking. We need on and off. So Shreyas, you said put wings or rocket. So why don't you put rocket in your robot? Okay, Shreyas? Yes, Meenakshi, we are drawing right now. So somebody said on or off button. So I will give the on or off button here. Okay. The screen stopped again. Wait, sorry. Yeah, so here is the on or off button that we're going to make. So I remembered that the drone looks like this. So I'm going to change my wings to the drone. So what I'm going to do now is make the head, and I'm going to give wings here like this. With 4 wings. And you know what? Here I have 2 boxes. I can make this into one box also, right? Like one whole box instead of making it 2 different boxes. So I make this very big, and I make the face here, and I put the mic and the speaker and the on off button here. And then where will I put the solar panel? I think I'll put the solar panel here. Something like this on the top, like an antenna, so that it directly gets the sunlight. It's the 4th step that we are going to do. We are going to make a model. Before model, we're going to make a proper drawing of how I'm going to make my robot. So what I'm going to do now is, so here I'm drawing this in a 3D way. I know it is a very new concept to all of you guys, but just copy what I'm drawing. Okay. So I make a box first, and then what I do, I put the legs for the robot, wings, like this on the top. So this will all be in cardboard, right? Remember? I put this, and then I have to put wings here. So I'm going to put wings here like this. after this, I'm going to draw the detail. So if you look at it from the front view, how it will look like from the front. It will have a screen. Oh, sorry. Okay, I made a mistake. Okay, this, yeah. So if you look from the front, it will have a screen. Okay. It will have a speaker and a mic. Okay. And it will have wings like this. And then on the top here, like this, we will have the solar panel. Okay. And we will have a on and off button here. This is the speaker and this is the mic. And then we have to make the camera also, right? Where it will look. This is camera. This is mic. This is speaker. Now guys, all of you guys, don't worry if you don't understand this. It's okay. It's okay if you don't understand this. No problem. Just listen to what I'm saying. And here is the screen, which will make facial expression. It will make faces for us. Okay. So this is the we are solving the problem, right? And here are the problems. You have a lot of ideas, the different things you want to do, but then you see how the cardboard is, right? It's so hard. And then you think, how can I make my robot with such a hard card? So that is where your part comes into. You have to find out how can you make it very creative just using a cardboard.